Now let's talk about honeypots. What's that? That's a decoy to keep the bad guys away from your real targets. So a honeypot is a decoy system. It's meant to distract an attacker away from real systems. It will log attempts at port access or monitor the keystrokes of an attacker. It could offer warning of potentially bigger attacks. It's used to gather information about the attackers. There are several types of honeypots. You could have low interaction honeypots. It would simulate limited services and applications of a network or system that's targeted. It is impossible to compromise 100%. It collects high-level attack vector information. So we could simulate all the services and applications if we want. It might be possible to compromise 100% and collect all attack vector information. If we take a look here, so we could have a honeypot that is low or high level. You put the honeypot maybe in the DMZ next to the web server. And you have the web server like had a higher IP address and the honeypot at a lower one, so the honeypot's the first one that the attacker will see. And so hopefully the attacker will be busy with the honeypot, and it'll be just challenging enough to keep them interested. Here's one of the risks of honeypots. You have to set up something, right? If the attacker manages to compromise the honeypot, now they have a staging area to further attack the network. So you need to make sure that your honeypot is definitely not going to be compromisable. You can go to honeynet.org, and they have whole projects, including bootable DVDs of honeypots and whole honey networks that you can use to distract attackers. So now with this background, let's talk about the tools.